Welcome to our Zoom training. Let's get started. First of all, Zoom is a video conferencing program that you can use. You can use it to make personal video calls, you can attend classes, and you can do it for meetings. It works on most computers, tablets, and your smartphones, and it's very easy to set up. Today I'm going to show you how you can set it up on all of those devices specifically for meeting with our office, but we'll also show you how you can use it to visit with your friends as well. The devices that you can use are either a computer or a laptop, but you'll want to make sure your device has a microphone and a webcam. You can also use a tablet, such as an iPad, or your smartphone. Setting up Zoom is very easy. I'm going to show you how you can set it up on your phone or tablet, and then I'll show you how you can set it up on your computer, and then I'll show you how you can use it to also video conference with your friends. First, we need to download the app onto your device. Let's watch.
All right, to add the app to your device, whether your tablet or your smartphone, you will need to go to your App Store, which is this icon right here. So we're going to go ahead and tap that, and we're going to search for Zoom. And then we're going to go ahead and download. Click on this one, which is a blue icon with a white camera, and we're going to go ahead and download this Zoom Cloud Meetings. When you're downloading, it will come up on your tablet or device just like this. This means it's downloading. Takes a couple minutes for it to download.
Now that you've downloaded the app, it's time for you to join the meeting. And what you can do from your smartphone or your tablet, the easy way, you just open up the app and click on Join Meeting, and there will be a spot where you can enter your meeting ID. And for our office, we will send you an email with that meeting ID, and then you will follow the prompts. So let's watch.
Once Zoom has downloaded, this is what the app will look like on your device. You can just click the Zoom app, and then there is a Join Meeting button that you can tap on, and you will be given a meeting ID in your email that you will enter. Once you enter that meeting ID, the Join button will highlight blue, and you can click Connect and join. And now you are added to the meeting. It's going to ask if you want to join with video, and you will go ahead and tap the blue button. And now you're entering the room, and it's going to ask you if you want to hear others through what type of audio, and you're going to use the call using internet audio option, and go ahead and tap that. And now we are in the room. So a couple things I want to show you are some of the different buttons that you have. At the top, we have a mute button. Right now, if you tap it, the red with the slash in it means that it is muted. If you tap it again, you'll unmute. Same with the video. You can stop your video, which makes a red X or red mark, and then you can tap it again. So another button over here is the gallery view. So you can just tap that, and this will show you everybody that's on the call. Then when you're done with your meeting, you just tap the red leave at the top, and you will hit leave meeting.
Now you know how to join a meeting from your smartphone or your tablet. I'm going to show you how to join the meeting from your computer or laptop. So remember, you got to make sure that you have a microphone and a camera for those devices. The easiest way for you to join the meeting is to open up your email, and there will be a link, and all you have to do is click on the link and follow the prompts. When you click on the link, a new window will appear and looks like this, and you will click the Join from your browser. Then you will enter your name and click join. This is what it looks like when your meeting is loading.
To access a Zoom meeting from your computer, you will pull up the email that you received from our office, and all you have to do is just click on the link to open up Zoom, and it will show you open Zoom meetings. You can go ahead and hit OK, and it's launching. Now it is asking you how to join. If you want to join with video, you can go ahead and click the blue button. And now it's going to ask you if you want to join with your computer audio. You'll go ahead and click that. And now you have joined the meeting. And this is how you join a meeting if you're using a computer or a laptop.
The Zoom program only has a few buttons that matter. So the first things you're going to want to look at are the microphone and the video buttons. When they have a red slash, they are turned off. If you click on them once, that will turn them back on. So as you can see in this picture, the video is off, but the microphone is on. So those are, you want to make sure if you're having problems to check, are you on, is your video on and is your microphone on? On the right side of the meeting window is a button that says end meeting, and that's how you end the meeting. Another view I like is the gallery view button, which shows everybody that's on the call versus how it's set up, it will automatically show the person who is talking. Now you know how to join a meeting with our office, but some of you might want to know how to start a meeting on your own and be able to visit with your friends and family. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So you'll open the Zoom app and sign in. Then you will tap New Meeting, which is in orange, and right below it is a personal meeting ID number. And you'll just want to make a note of that because that's what you're going to want to share with your friends and family. Then you will tap Start a Meeting, which is in blue, and tap Call using your internet audio. And make sure you share that meeting ID with your friends, and you can have your own Zoom meeting for yourself. There are a few additional tips that I want to talk about when using the Zoom app or any other type of video conferencing app. You'll want to make sure that you have some type of stand for your phone or tablet. Otherwise, you're going to have to hold it the whole time. Make sure you have that camera at eye level if possible. Otherwise, a lot of people tend to hold their device down lower and you end up your viewers end up looking right up your nose. Make sure you eliminate those distractions such as dogs barking or random children running behind you and any other type of background noise that you have. For us, make sure you have all of your documents ready, you've read through those emails, and you have some blue pens. And remember, you are on camera, so whatever you are doing, the other person will see, such as picking your nose or doing something else, we can see you. So remember that you're on camera. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office, and we will see you soon.